It was supposed to be a place of joy, a summer splash pad in Rochester Hills where children could laugh and play, but that day turning into a nightmare last June when a mass shooting shattered that sense of safety, leaving 9 people hurt, including an 8-year-old boy. Erica Erickson shows us how Janek Bebout is proving a little laughter can go a long way.
What noise did it make that made you laugh?
The fart noise.
Who doesn't think farts are funny? I mean, come on.
Some girls, but my friend Jane thinks they're hilarious.
He's finally laughing, and his family can't help but smile with him and spread the joy one fart noise at a time.
And here is the noise.
That would make anyone laugh, right?
Yeah.
It's been beyond tough for 8-year-old Janek Bebout. Janek shot in the head while playing at a Rochester Hills splash pad. His little brother shot in the leg, and his mother shot 8 times protecting them. 6 others also hurt. Unbelievably, everyone surviving.
Seeing them, laughing again and seeing them starting to run around and just be themselves again was so inspiring to me. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get myself back up, and we have been given the second chance in life, and we're so incredibly grateful.
Janek in a coma, then poked and swollen and permanently losing his eyesight. But one day he was back to his old self, belly laughing, playing with squishy slime. Now he's feeling
You're way better.
A billion times better.
Uh-huh.
He just puts such a smile on your face, and he makes you realize what really matters, and that if he can get through something like this, then the problems that we face in our days really aren't that big of a deal.
Then Janek, who calls himself the good kind of crazy, had an idea.
Janek's like, Nana, I want to do this for the other kids. Okay. He says, will you help me? No. Absolutely, I'll help you.
Collecting more than 2,400 containers of slime to give to kids in the hospital.
And it's all stuff like this, and they all have labels on them. Janek's laughter.
Janek even has descriptions for the fake flatulence like butt belch.
No pressure, you need to get a really good fart. What would you name that one?
I don't know, the one cheek squeak.
Now with shirts and plenty of toots to go around. The laughter endless. We need one more good fart.
That was a good one.
Felt good.
Oh my God. Erica Erickson, Local 4.